Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on raise the bridge alert on the Yandex Maps application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. Click to the Siri line at the upper right corner. Click to the settings, click to the map and interface, and go to the last button, the road events. And if you use the alerts function, you can find different alerts. And in all the mood section, you can find the last button, the raised bridges. And if you want to turn on this alert, click to the next gray circle, and if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled, so you can use that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.